had a little bit of a slower start today. It's about 8:30. I'm just out running. It was pouring rain this morning, so we tidied up the van. Nick's doing some editing. I'm just running down along the water, which is now a beautiful day. I just wanted to show you guys the foreshore, or I'm not sure what else you'd call this, but the whole way along, it's not too long, but I've run about 3k to make it to the end from Cooktown Holiday Park. So they have this little water park through here, because obviously you can't swim in there because it's crocodile infested. But anyways, they have this water park with a water bucket that you can come to in the daytime if it gets too hot for you guys, or there's obviously pools at caravan parks and stuff, but that's pretty nice, with a nice little view. And then down to here there is little walkouts where you can go fishing or have a look out, and the whole way along they've got all different like gym equipment, like just here and then further down there as well, which is pretty cool, with the undercover areas with barbecues and tables and that you can come and cook a barbie down by the waterfront. The boat ramp is literally just around that corner on the other side, and there's a little bit of a jetty and a wharf down there too. It's really nice here today, well after it rained, which you can see that big rain cloud over there, and more rain over that area. But out this way it looks pretty nice. So I'm going to keep running, head back. Nick's just editing a video. Gonna make some brekkie. I think we're gonna make bacon and egg sandwiches, and then we're going to go hit some waterfalls. I think there's about 5 waterfalls that we want to have a look at, 1 lookout, and do some croc spotting too. So let's go. We are just turning off the dirt track onto another dirt track where it says Falls. And we're going to head down here, and it is 500 metres and we turn right. It's 3.5 k's once you hit the turn of the main gravel road.
It's been a really good road so far. It's like 8k, well that was like 9k in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
There's a couple of scrub wolves getting around, so make sure you keep an eye out for them. I did about 55, 60 the whole way just to be safe. You could go quicker, but just to be safe. There's other cars and some little gullies and that are one way, so just make sure you be careful. We just got to the first falls. I'll put the name on the screen now. Travails something falls. Truck's all dirty again. But yeah, as we said before, it was a nice road in here. It's quite hot today, for like 32, 34 degrees. Beck's just getting ready. And we're going to walk up to the falls. Made it. We're down here. It's running pretty well, eh?
Yeah.
Running nicely. Yeah, down there I guess. Go slow. sit on your bum. Righto, we sat there and hung out for a minute at that one. Nice waterfall. It's not even fully through the wet season yet, and there was water flowing, so that was good. We're just heading back up out of here. Oh, it's a good day to wear slides. Back's already up. It's a little hill climb, and it's pretty easy track to get in. Probably like 300-400 meters from where we parked the car. So it's not far at all.
We are heading out now. Nick has got the right footwear on, obviously, for this uphill track. Now it's downhill, so it's not too bad, but we are heading out to the car and we're going to head to the Lions Den Hotel. So I think it's only about a 30-minute drive from here. Obviously it was the 15k's in to get here, and then, or whatever it was, close, and then we will be about 15-20k's away, and there's a car coming. So yeah, we're gonna head there. They have pizzas all day from 10, I believe. I think they do lunch from 12 till 2, and it's now after 2, so we're having a late lunch. We're gonna have pizza. Not sure what type yet, but we'll let you know when we get there.
We grabbed a pizza and took it all in. We then headed outside for the significant photo out front. We also saw some camels across the road.
To Endeavour Falls. We just came into the reception, talked to a really nice lady here. You can camp here, I'm not sure on the pricing, but it looks pretty nice among all the palm trees. And you go down this way and then you just put a donation in the box. We left our card just up that way. So yeah, we're just walking down through this way now, I think. And there's toilets and power and all that sort of stuff, so it's a nice little sleepy spot to stay. I'm sure it'll be pretty busy in season. They got a general store, fuel up at the reception too, so it's good to know if you're in a spot and you need some diesel or petrol. Anyway, we're going to cruise down here and have a look at the waterfall. We're just heading down to the falls, down this little track. Looks a bit crocky, but it's an easy little walk from the car park. The falls are just up that way.
We are just at the Isabella Falls, and I believe we have to go over this little crossing first. Obviously in the wet season it's like can be a lot deeper, but it's not bad at all. And then yeah, I don't really know where the falls are from here, but we'll have a little look.
So this is Isabella Falls. We just came off the road. You literally go over that crossing and turn left, not right, like we did. And like the road's like right there. And this is the falls. Just here. So yeah, that's the road, literally right there. And there's like a waterfall. Obviously in the wets, after the wet, the water you can see comes right up to this tide line here, if not higher. So, it's a cool spot. On our way back to the car, took some photos. I'll chuck them up here. And the cruiser is waiting. Now we're going back to camp. Back into Cooktown we go. Last stop for the video is Grassy Point, is it?
Yeah.
Grassy Point, look out.
And it's the lighthouse.
It's a lighthouse. The moon's out. Cruiser parked up. Nice little spot. Not too windy.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's our Cooktown adventure done.
Yep, if you like this one, leave a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe.